Everyone should be out here. I think we're too much in the city. I think we really missed the point on what all this actually does to you. I can tell you right now, the first thing you will observe about nature is its quietness. Of course, you can hear birds chirping, animals coo-cooing, but there is a lot of stillness out here. There's a lot of quietness. And it just shows you how powerful that is. Look how green that is. That's fantastic. So I think one of the number one laws of nature would be quietness. I wouldn't say solitude, but you know, that's also helpful as well. Because solitude would mean isolation. And that's really beneficial as well. To step away from your usual busy life and to step into nature. And what you will find is an instant calming. I guarantee it. Now, I would probably recommend you go to a place where no one else is around. So yeah, I mean, walks in the park with your partner or your friend or whoever is a good thing for sure. But I am literally the only one around here. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And I just came from the gym, so it's a great way to come from a really physical, inner type of mind frame to observing the quietness and having that come into me now. So it's kind of like a good grounding from what happens after you work out. And it's a good way to, you know, probably chill your nervous system, which in my opinion will actually increase your energy because it's just calming. Anyway, like I said in the beginning, get into nature. If you live in Ontario, Canada, you'll most likely have weather like this. So I would say, hit the trail. See ya.